Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Andrew. In this presentation, I'll be explaining what exactly is Forex. I've got a short presentation and then we'll jump into the graphs and I'll explain much better. So, this presentation will be answering 5 questions. What exactly is Forex? Who participates in Forex? How you can make money in Forex? What you need to make money with Forex? And if you can make a full-time living. So what exactly is Forex? Forex is short for foreign exchange. It is the exchange of different currencies from different countries. When you think about it, there are over 200 countries in the world, and each country requires some raw material or some finished good from somewhere. In the process of trying to do trade, there is this exchange of currencies between the two countries, and this determines the price of the two currencies. Now, when you think about it, Forex is the largest market in the world because of who the players are. I'll explain that in a bit. The Forex market is open 5 days a week, which is from Sunday night to Friday evening. It doesn't work over the weekend. And so the major participants in Forex are the central banks. The central banks are the banks of different countries. They are in charge of controlling the way the currency flows. They are in charge of maintaining the reserves. You know that most countries, every country has some reserves in either gold, in dollars, pounds, and so on. And then there's the large banking institutions. Very often you hear traders say the market makers or the people who have the muscle to change the market direction. I'll explain more on these banking institutions, but these guys have a lot of money and they can change the direction of the market very easily. There's also the hedge funds, which are just large businesses basically. And then there's the retail traders, which is you and I. Now, in order for you to make money in Forex, you need money. Yes. Sorry guys, unlike other businesses where you can start without money, Forex requires money. Now, before you panic and lose hope, depending on the broker that you're using, you can start with as little as $10. The second other thing that you need is a broker. A broker is where you put your money, and then the broker will tell you what currencies you can trade. The next thing that you need, obviously, is you need money and you need a broker. The broker is the go-between you and the market. There are many brokers. There's Owanda, Hugo's Way, Hot Forex, IC, FXM, there's Traders Way. When it comes to brokers, you have to be careful. There's regulated and unregulated traders. Regulated mostly are following the regulations set by the international bodies, and they're mostly in the States. The unregulated are offshore brokers. They tend to have higher leverages, but if things go south, they can easily fold ship and go away. The other thing that you need, in order to trade properly, you need to be able to view how the market is moving. There are mainly 2 ways that you can view the market. You can use trading view. Sorry, I made a mistake here. It's supposed to be trading view. You can also use MT4 or MT5. These are almost the same. That's MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. The advantage of trading view is it's cloud-based. So if you change, say on vacation, you don't have to start carrying your laptops or tablets. You can do it by simply logging on to any laptop or as long as there's internet. The problem with MT4 is when you set up MT4 like the way I'm using this laptop, it's got specific settings that I've put, preferences that I've put. If I move to another laptop, I have to start from scratch. And then basically you make money by predicting the move, that's the rise or the drop of a currency pair. Now, can you make a full-time living on Forex? Yes. When you think about it, if you treat Forex like a profession, like a career, how long does it take on average to get a degree? It takes about anywhere from 3 to 5 years if you want to do something like engineering. For medicine, it can even take more than 7 years. So if you treat Forex like a proper career, like a proper business where you invest in your education, you find a good mentor, you find a good system that has a proper educational system, you can definitely make a full-time living. You need a good mentor, someone who will show you the ropes, because Forex is a bit rough, to be honest. So that was a short presentation. Now we're going to jump quickly into the chart and I'm going to show you what I mean. So this is what TradingView looks like. I'll leave a link below for which you can sign up. You can start with the free plan. The free plan is actually good. If you start it up, what you can do is you can sign up for free and then you'll be given 30 days. You add a couple of indicators, the graphs. I'll make a full tutorial about TradingView and how you can do it. But basically what you're looking at is the Euro USD. So whenever you hear Forex, Forex compares the movement of two pairs. The first pair, in this case, which is Euro, which is EUR, is the main pair. The USD, the American dollar, is the opposing pairs. So these pairs are basically opposing each other. They are trying to find who's stronger. So when you look at the market, you often hear traders say the market is either bearish or bullish. It's either going up or going down. So when the euro is strong, when you think about it, when the euro is strong, it will be in a rise. When the euro is weak, it will be in a drop, so to say. When the USD is weak, the price will go up. And when it's strong, the price will go down. So all that you have to remember is the main pair, if it is strong, the price will go up. If it is weak, the price will go down. There's all kinds of softwares that do that. They are called market correlation softwares. You don't necessarily need them, but you just have to understand the graph. So while on TradingView, when you look at the euro and the USD, this graph is telling me that 1 euro is selling for $1, 1.19042 US dollar. That's what it's showing for. If I go to, say, for instance, EJ, which is the Euro JPY, the Euro and the Japanese yen, you see some Euro JPY, we'll just call it the EJ. So on the EJ, the main pair is the Euro, the counter pair is the JPY. The graph is telling us that 1 euro is selling for 129.512 yen. So again, it's the same thing. Here you can see on the 1 hour that the yen was strong. Here it started being weak. Now there will be occasionally where you can't really determine whether it's going up or it's going down. Like here, you often hear traders say the price is in range. It is when you don't know what to do, whether the price will break and go up or break and go down. Now looking at the TradingView, you will notice at the top there's different time frames. This is the month, the weekly, the daily, the 4 hour, the 1 hour. What this is saying is whatever time frame you choose, like we're on the 1 hour time frame, it means each candle represents a period of what happened during that 1 hour. If it's a 15 minutes, it's the same thing. Each candle is representing 15 minutes of activity. Here you're going to find your indicators. Indicators are simply some sort of tools that you use, but I'll go over that in another video. Then before I go, I thought I'd just show you quickly what MetaTrader 4 looks like. So I'm looking at MetaTrader 4. I've set up such that they look identical. So basically, sorry about that, it's an alert that I set earlier. So basically what you're looking at is MetaTrader 4. It's the same thing. It's a month, it's a week, it's a day. Sorry, my internet's a bit slow. So those are the different time frames. That's the month, week, day, 4 hour, 1 hour, up to the 1 minute. You can also save the templates. And so basically, in a nutshell, if I can just go over quickly, Forex is simply the exchange of currencies between two countries, or the exchange between, or Forex is the exchange between two currency pairs. Yes, you make money by predicting the rise or the drop of the currency pair. If you said the price would go up and it goes up, you make money depending on how much you invested. If you are wrong, you lose money. That's Forex. The biggest players in Forex are the banks, the large institutions. These have a lot of money at their disposals. There's also hedge funds, there's central banks, then there's retail traders. To be honest, us as retail traders, unless you have over $1 million, you won't really make that much impact alone on the market. So in order for you to make money on Forex, you need money, but you also need an account with a broker. There are many brokers out there. There's Owanda, IC, FXM, Trade24, Hot Forex, Traders Way. There are so many. And in order for you to view your pair that you are looking at, you can use MT4 or you can use Traders Way. So I thought I'd just make this quick video. It's a bit rough, guys, I know. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe if you're interested to learn more about Forex, to join me on my journey as we learn together. I'll be making a couple of videos going in detail over the different things that we need to understand as Forex traders. Thank you very much for your time. God bless and have a good day.